Hello, my dear students. In this video, I'm going to explain how to solve a quadratic equation. This is especially for class 10 students, and I have taken the reference of this book, that is Understanding ICSE Mathematics by M.L. Agrawal. Otherwise, in any book you can get the how to solve quadratic equation. As you know, there are the methods to solve the equations, but in class 9 you have learned how to solve the quadratic equation by factorization. That is called the zero product rule. For example, if you have the two factors x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0, then x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. This is called factorization. Matlab, you write left hand side factorize and the right hand side make 0. Then by zero product rule, the one factor is equal to 0 or the second factor is equal to 0. This is called the factorization method. But here you will apply another method, and this method is known as by using formula. This is the method. You see the difference between the method and formula, and in this question you will use a formula. This formula is also known as Sridhara Acharya formula, because Sridhara Acharya was the greatest mathematician, and in his name the formula, because he invented this formula, and that is why the name of the formula is Sridhara Acharya formula, but the name is too long, that is why it is known as by using formula. Clear? Now, what is the method to write the formula and to solve? First of all, what is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation, the equation in which you have the highest degree of variable as 2. Matlab, if variable is x, then the maximum power of x, highest power of x will be 2. That is the quadratic. तो यहाँ पे x square है, and with x square one constant is there, that is a. A is a constant. Then one, because it is the maximum, so it will be the minimum. Less than 2, so that will be the 1, and then without variable. मतलब this type of equation known as the quadratic equation. Also, a cannot be 0. अगर a 0 हो गया तो फिर ये क्वाड्रेटिक रहा ही नहीं, क्योंकि ये तो 0 ही हो गया. तो you will get the linear one. इतना पार्ट क्या है? लीनियर है. तो it means a cannot be 0, but b may be 0, c may be 0. b भी 0 हो सकता है, c भी 0 हो सकता है, मतलब कोई इसमें से एक टर्म नहीं भी हो सकता है. In that case you will get the quadratic. In quadratic, the other meaning of the quadratic means you will get the two values of x. जितनी पावर होगी, the highest power gives the number of solutions, मतलब उतने ही same number of solutions. ये डिग्री 2 है, maximum degree 2 है, तो it means 2 solutions of x you will get. That is known as, that is the meaning of the equation, and you can say the quadratic equation, the two values of x. First you will change any question. If you have given in the quadratic form, then you have to change exactly in this form. First the x square term, second the x term, and the last one will be the constant without variable. Then the right hand side will be 0. Then you can get. Thereafter you have to compare with this, find a, b and c. So, and then use this formula. This is the formula, Sridhara Acharya formula, and this is also known as by using formula. So x is equal to minus b, this minus from formula, plus minus under root b square minus 4a into c, whole divided by 2a. Clear? Why plus and minus sign? Because I said two values of x you are getting ना, तो one with the plus sign after solving both the things, ये जब solve कर लेंगे तो one with the plus sign and other with the minus sign. What is the meaning of this b square minus 4ac? The name of this part, only this part without under root, is known as discriminant. And this discriminant is denoted by the delta. इसको delta भी कहते हैं, triangle shape में बनता है delta. तो ये तो इसकी theory है. Now come one example here. Come to the one example. This is the question. Find the value of x in this question. Clear? This is given in this form, in any form. But what I said, you have to change in this form. Okay? Means write all the things, all the numbers variable in the left hand side and make right hand side 0. But before writing, you must see the first term should be the x square, second term should be the x, and the last term should be the constant. Okay? Then compare it. Write this equation. This is the quadratic equation. कहाँ से compare करना है? If you will not write, you will lose your marks. तो लिखना जरूरी है. A is equal to 2, B is equal to A is equal to 2, क्योंकि ये x square का coefficient 2, यहाँ भी A तो A is equal to 2. B is equal to 1 minute. B is equal to plus root 7, क्योंकि ये minus लिख दे. And C is equal to 7. Clear? So you can compare by this way and then plus 7, C is equal to plus 7. Then use the formula. Which formula? The same one. ये formula लिखना है. If you will not write the formula, then again you will lose your marks. तो marks कम करने के बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. हम ये ना लिखे तब भी मार्क्स कम हो जाएंगे, ये ना लिखे तब भी मार्क्स कम हो जाएंगे. यानी बढ़ाने के थोड़े कम तरीके हैं, बट लूज करने के ज्यादा तरीके हैं. हमने एक वीडियो भी बनाया, हाउ यू लूज योर मार्क्स. इफ यू सर्च इन द स्टडी ब्राइट यू विल गेट हाउ यू लूज योर मार्क्स. वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो है, बिकॉज द स्टूडेंट्स डज द मिस्टेक्स लाइक दिस, कि वो नहीं लिखेंगे, वो नहीं, जल्दबाजी में. दिस इज कॉल्ड केयरलेसनेस, लापरवाही. तो यू हैव टू राइट एवरीथिंग what is required, क्योंकि पता कैसे चलेगा कि from where you are getting. Now put the values. तो माइनस, ये माइनस फॉर्मूले का है, अंडर रूट 7 माइनस अंडर रूट 7 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट 7 होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4. A means 2, C means 7 whole upon one thing is here, whole upon 2a means 2. Then you simplify. Minus root 7 plus minus 7 minus 56 divided by 4. Okay. Then x is equal to minus root 7 plus minus 49 divided by 4. Now, can you solve this one? कभी कभी स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं कि यहां पे आ गया तो इसको बाद में 7 लिख देते हैं, जो माइनस 7 लिख देते हैं. दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. If you are getting minus sign inside the under root, then it cannot be solved. This is called the imaginary number. तो imaginary number अगर आता है तो you have to leave only there. Means these are the value, one with the plus sign and one with the minus sign. Means you can leave here. क्योंकि अब इसके आगे सॉल्व भी नहीं हो सकता. माइनस यू कैन नॉट टेक आउट द फ्रॉम द अंडर रूट. ओके. तो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. नाउ वन मोर क्वेश्चन आई एम गिविंग यू, that is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the question you have to solve. First of all, because the question is written in the standard form, so compare with directly. A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 6 क्योंकि माइनस साइन लगा है, and C is equal to 3. Clear? Using this formula and put the value minus this minus sign in place of B minus 6. ये बहुत ध्यान देना है क्योंकि माइनस दो जगह आ रहा है. प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 6 होल स्क्वायर minus 4, A means 2 or C means 3. Whole divided by 2 into 2. Then simplify 6 plus minus. Sometimes student does the mistakes minus 6 का whole square minus 36 लिख देते हैं. वो भी नहीं करना है, नहीं तो गलत हो जाएगा. This is 36. 24 and whole divided by 4. Then x is equal to 6 plus minus 12 whole divided by 4. Now this is not the simplest form. You have to write in the simplest form. So x is equal to 6. Can you simplify more? Yes, you can write 2 root 3. 2 to the 4 to the 12 and then divided by 4. It is not also in the simplest form. कैसे simplest form में आएगा? You take 2 common from this numerator. So if you take the 2 common, so what you will get? 3 plus minus under root 3 divided by 4. Then 2 to the 4. Then x is equal to 3 plus minus under root 3 by 2. These are the two values. तो अगर हम प्लस साइन लेके चलें, प्लस साइन, तो x will be 3 plus under root 3 by 2, the first answer. And the minus sign लेके चले तो x is equal to 3 minus under root 3 by 2. This is the second answer. ये तो under root 3 में है तो ये अब add और subtract नहीं हो सकता. But if you get the exact value, then you can add also and you can subtract also. Then more simplification is required. So this is the type in which you can do the questions of the quadratic यूजिंग फार्मूला. इसमें लिखा होगा बाय यूजिंग फार्मूला. श्रीधरा आचार्य नाम दिया हो या ना दिया हो, बाय यूजिंग फार्मूला मीन्स यू हैव टू यूज दिस फार्मूला. फार्मूला मतलब फार्मूला. मेथड इज देयर, वो मेथड था जो फैक्टराइजेशन इज द मेथड, दिस इज नॉट द फार्मूला. ओके, सो यू कैन डू द क्वेश्चंस. आई विल टेल यू द सम मोर क्वेश्चंस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू.